Guys, look at the half moon. It's 6:15 in the morning here in my area, and the moon, you can still see the moon in the sky. That's a half moon in there, guys.
What did you do, Jack?
Yep.
I see 1, 2, 3.
There's three of them. There's another one. No, there's four of them in there. Yeah. They're having a party in the backyard. I think there's more of them. They're calling from our company. The more the merrier. Right,
That's right.
hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Inkai's home and garden. Hi guys, in today's video, I am just sharing you guys. We harvested my container vegetables today, and these are the harvest for today. Green bell peppers, cherry tomatoes. As you can see, I have some green ones here. This one fell down on the branches, guys. Yeah, but I can still use them. I eat cherry green tomatoes too. And this one here are my green bell peppers. And look how much I got on my sweet banana pepper, guys. This is the second harvest. The first harvest, I had 3 Ziploc bags.
First harvest, you had 18 of them.
And this one here, oh my gosh, I don't know how many I got in there, but like I said, beautiful harvest today. Thank you, Lord. Look how pretty is this, guys. Fresh, very crunchy, guys. Very crunchy, very firm. Very firm. Fresh from my garden. Feels so good to see you planted something, 2 months later, 2.5 months right now. 2.5 months later, this is what you harvested. And look at those beautiful cherry tomatoes. I have 2 different type of tomatoes. I have grapes. This one is grapes and the other one is round. See? Oh my goodness, so pretty. Thank you, Lord, for the good blessing. Okay guys, this is just an update on my vegetable garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon next time.